Imagine this. You have the perfect plan. You know exactly what you need to do to change your career, your health, or your life. You have the tools, and by some miracle, you actually have the time. But the moment you try to act, something strange happens. A mental fog descends. You feel a sudden crushing weight on your shoulders. Suddenly, washing the dishes or organizing emails from 3 years ago feels like the most urgent task on the planet. You call yourself lazy. You say you lack discipline. But what if I told you that what you're feeling isn't a character flaw? What if I proved to you that your brain is actually trying to save your life by stopping you from winning? Today, on the Human Chalkboard, we're going to erase the lie of laziness and sketch out the biological truth, why your success is viewed by your DNA as a mortal threat. To understand why you delay success, we have to understand your brain's #1 priority. And spoiler alert, it isn't your happiness, it's your survival. Your brain operates on software that is hundreds of thousands of years old. For your reptilian brain, survival is based on one single rule: familiar is safe, unknown is dangerous. When you stay in the middle, in the same routines with the same problems, your brain knows you are alive. It has the data. It knows the predators in this territory. But success requires you to become a new person. It demands that you enter a territory where the rules are different. To your amygdala, the brain's fear center, success is just a fancy word for the unknown, and in the unknown, predators live. The moment you try to level up, your brain pulls the emergency brake. Procrastination is your security system keeping you inside the cave to ensure you don't get eaten by a new predator. There's a second biological reason: the fear of social rejection. In our ancestral past, being cast out of the tribe was a death sentence. If you stood out too much, if you were too successful to the point of causing envy or conflict, you risked being banished. Today, you don't live in the savannah, but your nervous system doesn't know that. When you're about to launch that project or take that leadership role, your body releases cortisol. It's warning you, careful, if you shine too bright, you become a target. This is why you sabotage the big meeting or forget to send that crucial email. You are trying to become invisible again to feel safe. Your biology prefers the familiar pain of mediocrity over the unknown risk of the top. You cannot beat your biology with brute force. If you try to force it, your brain will only scream louder. You have to negotiate. Here are the 3 keys. First, lower the stakes. Stop calling your project the big life changer. That scares your amygdala. Call it a 10-minute draft. If the task looks small, the survival mode doesn't activate. Second, physical safety signals. When you procrastinate, your body is tense. Change your physiology. Relax your jaw, soften your eyebrows, and take a deep breath. This tells your nervous system, hey, we aren't running from a lion, we're just sitting at a desk. Third, the 17-second rule. The brain releases dopamine during the movement, not just at the finish line. Commit to just 17 seconds of total focus. That is the time it takes for the brain to shift gears from fear to doing. Success isn't about intelligence, it's about safety. You will only achieve what you want once you convince your body that it is safe to be happy. You aren't lazy. You are a survivor still operating in war mode. It's time to tell your nervous system the war is over. You deserve the calm. But there is a physical fuel that your brain and body need to keep this system of calm running. Without this one basic element, your thyroid slows down, your focus disappears, and even your self-confidence crumbles. Did you know that a deficiency in a single mineral could be the silent cause of your hair loss, prostate issues, and even that chronic fatigue you mistake for depression? In the next video, we're drawing the map of iodine. I'm going to show you how this master element might be the key to unlocking your metabolism and your mind. If you choose the path of healing, comment, "I choose health," and subscribe for our next lesson. See you next time here on the Human Chalkboard.